comet Hale Bopp was discovered on July 23, 1995 by amateur astronomers Hale and Thomas Bopp. At this time this comet was well outside the orbit of Jupiter, almost 600 million miles, or 1 billion kilometers from Earth. It looks surprisingly bright, fueling predictions that it would become the brightest comet of the century in early 1997. The comet that struck the Earth 65 million years ago, possibly causing the extinction of the dinos at that time. The Hale Bopp is really a giant comet of 30 to 40 kilometers across object whose current activity is driven by outgassing from a very volatile ice which will burn out over the next year. The comet Hale Bopp shows a remarkable pinwheel pattern and a blob of free-flying debris near the nucleus. The bright clump of light along the spiral may be a piece of the comet's icy crust that was ejected into space by a combination of ice evaporation and the comet's rotation, and which then disintegrated into a bright cloud of particles. Although the blob is about 3.5 times fainter than the brightest portion at the nucleus, the lump appears brighter because it covers a larger area. The debris follows a spiral pattern outward because the solid nucleus is rotating like a lawn sprinkler, completing a single rotation about once per week. Ground-based observations conducted over the past 2 months have documented at least 2 separate episodes of jet and pinwheel formation and fading. By coincidence, the first Hubble images of Hale Bopp, taken on September 26, 1995, immediately followed one of these outbursts and allow researchers to examine it at unprecedented detail. For the first time, they see a clear separation between the nucleus and some of the debris being shed. By putting together information from the Hubble images and those taken during the recent outburst using the 82 cm telescope of the Tide Observatory, Tenerife, Canary Islands, Spain, astronomers find that the debris is moving away from the nucleus at a speed, projected on the sky, of about 68 miles per hour, 109 kilometers per hour.